We have the opportunity to test different settings, and most of them do not produce better results. There are lots of tutorials that can teach you what a chart is and what all the buttons in MetaTrader can do for you. The ability to trade 10 years in a row is one more reason to use automation, because I never could do that without automated trading. If you want to bake a cake with a recipe, you need to know the ingredients, the order of the steps to process the food, and the right temperature of the oven. And for trading, you can create a recipe for your trading software. The more candles you use for the calculation of an indicator, the more long-term the forecast will be. You will need to trade according to your own rules and your personal presumption of the market. Forex trading is something where you can have all the data you need for free. Wouldn't it be a good idea to find out how all these things influenced your results? Most games have strict rules to define who is the winner and who is the loser. In trading, you don't have such rules. Your score is your account. If you are a good musician, you have the confidence that you can play the right chord. Only rookies hope that they can do that. My computer needs to be trained once and can do repeatable tasks forever. It doesn't have good or bad days and works on a consistent basis. When things get bad, that is the time when you need to decide if you trust the system. Because a drawdown will always look like an unavoidable loss. I don't like the Elliott wave system. People count ups and downs and expect the market to go up or down in their order. And if it doesn't, they believe that they have messed up counting waves. An expert advisor calculates the entry signals, and it calculates the position size, and it also calculates the number of positions that should be opened. Who has the opportunity to sit in front of his own computer all day long and wait until a reasonable entry signal appears on the screen? The bank guys have all the money. They have the best equipment in the world and the smartest experts. But still, they are not able to predict the future. What does the alternative look like? Well, you don't have to hope that you can tie your shoes, because you have confidence that you can do it. You might ask yourself, why not increase the position size 10 times to make more? Or what about increasing it by 100 times? Now I could make much, much more. And that is exactly where you are tempted to open the Pandora's box. Why would I do automated trading? To see if your system is able to survive under different market conditions. With automated trading, it is possible to do thousands of automated trades on a single rainy Sunday afternoon. I bet you would not put spaghetti into your hamburger and remove the beef. But when it comes to trading, you look for the magic entry signal to make up for all the rest. What do you think is causing your losses? It is the way that thing works. To be profitable in the long run, you need to set up the system in a way that will increase the probabilities for you. The formula for Coca-Cola once was sold for a few dollars, and now it is a billion-dollar company. But who knew that back then?